Hello, thank you for coming back to my channel. Today, I invite you to join me on the journey of building a long, tube-shaped house deep within a lush and tranquil forest. After several days of scouting, I finally chose an ideal location. A flat area with ample sunlight, close to a water source, and safely away from tall trees that might fall during storms. This was a crucial first step to ensure safety and long-term stability for the house. Once the spot was confirmed, I began clearing the surrounding area by hand. Every patch of grass, pile of dry leaves, scattered stones, and decaying wooden logs had to be removed. Though the task seemed simple, it required patience and precision, since anything left behind could interfere with the ground structure. After clearing the land, I used a small hand shovel to start digging and leveling the soil. Every shovelful was placed to shape a strong, even foundation. The area gradually took the form of a tube-shaped house, narrow and long, ideal for this terrain, and designed to be energy efficient, retaining warmth in winter and staying cool in the summer. The house will resemble a large tree log, falling and resting quietly in the woods. No sharp lines, no concrete, just earth, wood, and time. It will be a peaceful, cozy shelter entirely at one with the forest around it. With a firm grip on the shovel, each dig was made with care and precision. The soil was scraped away in thin layers, gradually leveled to match the shape of the planned house. As the ground became smoother and more even, his patience and attention to detail showed clearly in every motion. Carefully digging the foundation, the plan is for a long base that fits the vision of a house built into a tree trunk. The home will blend with nature, rising from the earth like part of the forest. It's meant to feel warm, rooted, and naturally welcoming. Sturdy posts are driven into the ground to form the house's frame. Each one is carefully placed, building a solid base for a tree trunk-inspired home. Every step shows dedication to crafting a unique space in harmony with nature. The frame is rising in the shape of an ancient tree trunk. Tall wooden stakes are firmly rooted in the ground, bending and joining to form a towering cylinder that mimics a tree reaching skyward. This structure is more than just support. It symbolizes harmony between human life and the wild. Strips made from bamboo are used to tie the wooden poles together, shaping the house frame like a tree trunk. These thin yet strong bamboo ties are hand-cut from forest bamboo and wrapped tightly around each joint. This method adds strength while highlighting craftsmanship and harmony with nature in every detail. The walls are built by placing small, long wooden planks horizontally, one after another. Each piece is smooth and tightly joined, resembling bark layers wrapping a tree trunk. These wooden panels not only protect from the elements, but also reflect care and creativity, forming a surface that feels sturdy and naturally beautiful, like living inside a real tree. Each plank is carefully selected for color and grain, creating a harmonious, flowing texture when joined. One by one, they're nailed to the frame with precision, forming a surface that mimics the rhythmic layering of aged bark. When sunlight filters through the tiny gaps, the wood glows with warmth and charm. Once all the wooden planks are securely tied, he saws off the excess to create a smooth, even surface. Then, precise cuts are made to carve out spaces for windows and the main door. The saw lines are clean and careful, ensuring the doors open smoothly and blend seamlessly with the tree trunk design, giving the house a natural and finished look. He constructs the windows and main door by tightly weaving forest vines. These natural fibers are carefully twisted and braided to form strong frames that maintain a rustic, wild aesthetic. The vine doors allow air to flow freely while enhancing the house's organic charm, perfectly blending with the tree trunk design in its natural setting. The main door is crafted in a curved arch shape, resembling a natural cave entrance within the tree trunk. Its softly bending frame invites and welcomes warmly. This door serves not just as an entry, but as a gateway into a secret, magical space that blends perfectly with the natural environment of the tree-inspired home. The curved main door is crafted with great care, from selecting strong wood to binding the forest vines that shape its smooth yet sturdy arch. When opened, soft light filters inside, creating a warm, natural ambience. This design not only enhances the home's uniqueness, but also deepens the connection between the owner and the surrounding greenery, inviting them into a peaceful, He splits bamboo into thin strips to lay the floor. The strips are carefully processed to be smooth and even, then neatly arranged side by side, forming a strong and visually appealing surface. The bamboo flooring brings a natural touch, combining durability with lightness, making the home feel cozy and airy. While laying the floor, he pays close attention to arranging the bamboo strips either in straight lines or staggered patterns to create a unique visual effect. Each strip is inspected carefully to avoid cracks, ensuring long-lasting durability. Bamboo flooring also resists moisture and regulates temperature, keeping the interior cool in summer and warm in winter, providing maximum comfort for the occupants. He constructs the chimney using a mixture of stones and clay blended with water to form a sturdy compound. The stones are tightly stacked and bonded with moist clay, making the chimney durable and heat retentive. This natural method complements the tree-inspired home style and ensures smoke safely escapes, keeping the indoor air fresh and clean. Large stones and thick logs are chosen to craft outdoor tables and chairs. The stones are smoothed on top and combined with sturdy wooden beams, forming furniture that feels both rustic and solid. He also uses stones to pave the yard, arranging various sizes into a flat surface, creating a natural, attractive, and durable outdoor space that blends seamlessly with the surroundings. He goes into the forest to collect large pieces of bark, then brings them back to attach onto the walls, making the exterior resemble a real ancient tree trunk. The bark fragments are carefully arranged, preserving their natural texture and color, enhancing the house's authentic and wild feel. Using bark not only beautifies, but also perfectly blends the home with its natural surroundings. He carefully selects bark pieces with the right thickness and size for easy attachment to the walls. This process requires patience and precision to prevent the bark from cracking or falling off over time. The bark also protects the wooden walls from weather effects like rain, wind, and sunlight. From a distance, the house appears as a genuine tree trunk standing firmly in the forest, offering a deep, immersive connection to nature. After completing the first house, shaped like a fallen tree, resting quietly in the deep forest, he didn't stop there. His journey continued as he ventured to a completely new spot, nestled beneath a towering cliff. This place was wild and untouched, with thick bush and tall weeds growing wildly, as if no one had ever set foot there. Once he found a promising spot, he began clearing the land. Every branch, vine, and root was carefully removed by hand, and with basic tools slowly. The ground revealed itself, wide open and full of potential for an even more creative and unique home. Stay with this journey because the next build will surely bring surprises and a new kind of beauty. The house frame is built from strong bamboo, positioned beneath the towering mountain cliffs. Bamboo is carefully assembled to form a solid foundation, making use of the natural shelter from the rock face. This combination allows the house to blend with the terrain, taking advantage of bamboo's flexibility and durability. The bamboo frame not only ensures stability, but also provides flexibility against strong winds or uneven terrain. The bamboo poles are tightly tied together with bamboo strips, adding strength and maintaining the structure's stability over time. Positioned beneath the rock face, the house is shielded from harsh sunlight and rain, creating a cool, safe living space amid the wild nature. The floor is made from sturdy bamboo strips laid atop a strong bamboo frame. The bamboo strips are carefully selected, treated against pests and moisture, then securely fixed in parallel on the frame. The frame provides excellent support, preventing sagging or collapse during use. Overall, this creates a floor that is both lightweight and durable, perfectly matching the natural tree-inspired style of the house. The roof frame is constructed from thick, sturdy bamboo posts tightly bound together with braided bamboo strips. The bamboo beams are arranged diagonally or parallel depending on the design, forming a strong structure that withstands rain, wind, and the weight of the roofing material. The frame is both lightweight and durable, providing good heat dissipation. Palm leaves are gathered from the forest, selecting large, thick, and fresh ones to cover the roof. The leaves are carefully layered, overlapping to form a thick roof that resists water and provides effective insulation. The palm leaf roof keeps the house cool and adds a rustic, natural charm, enhancing the harmony of the tree-inspired structure within the lush forest setting. The palm leaves are gathered and then woven together by layering them in a specific sequence. This weaving process requires careful technique to ensure the roof is watertight and well covered. The leaves are tightly bound with bamboo strips or fibers, forming a sturdy, natural, and visually pleasing roof layer that effectively shields rain and sun while keeping the interior dry and airy. The walls are made from thin bamboo strips, split and placed closely together either vertically or horizontally, depending on the design. These strips are tightly bound with bamboo fibers, forming sturdy walls that remain breathable and lightweight. Bamboo walls provide a rustic, natural charm while helping regulate indoor air, creating a comfortable atmosphere for the occupants. The bamboo walls are treated to resist pests and water, enhancing their durability over time. During installation, small gaps are intentionally left between strips to allow good airflow and prevent stuffiness. Additionally, bamboo walls are easy to repair or replace when needed, maintaining the home's natural beauty and longevity. The house features two circular windows placed symmetrically on either side. Around each window, flexible forest vines are intricately woven into delicate, ornate patterns. These designs enhance the home's aesthetic appeal and showcase skill and attention to detail in every element. The vines combined with the round shape create a harmonious look, blending wild natural charm with artistic elegance. The door is crafted from young bamboo poles, which are thinner and more flexible than mature bamboo arranged in a shutter-like pattern. These young bamboo strips are tightly bound and connected to form a lightweight yet sturdy door. This style not only allows easy opening and closing, but also adds a simple, natural beauty that harmonizes with the tree-inspired home. The young bamboo shutter door also offers slight flexibility, adapting well to changing weather conditions such as heat or humidity. The bamboo strips are carefully treated to resist pests and extend durability. In use, the door feels rustic yet very sturdy, providing comfort and security for the occupants. Deep holes are dug into the ground to bury the posts supporting the house's porch. These posts are made from thick, sturdy bamboo, holding up the front porch roof. Burying the posts deeply ensures stability and durability, allowing the porch to withstand strong winds and natural elements. The porch provides an open, airy space for relaxation and enjoying the surrounding nature. The railing is constructed from straight, evenly cut bamboo poles, tightly connected with braided bamboo fibers. Vertical bamboo poles are firmly fixed into the base frame, forming a safe protective barrier around the porch or balcony. Bamboo railings not only ensure sturdiness, but also add a natural, simple beauty that complements the tree-inspired house. The porch is entirely made of bamboo, including support posts, frame, braces, and floorboards. Large bamboo poles serve as main posts, firmly anchored into the ground to bear the entire porch's weight. The frame is connected with smaller bamboo tied tightly with bamboo fibers, creating a strong yet lightweight structure. Patterns are crafted using soft forest vines, bent into intricate and complex shapes. The vines are tightly braided and fixed on the bamboo poles or wooden frames, creating unique motifs like spirals, leaves, or smooth curves. These patterns not only decorate, but also enhance the artistic quality and vibrancy of the house, showcasing skill and delicacy in every handcrafted detail. Vine patterns are skillfully crafted to decorate various parts of the house, such as railings, windows, and bamboo walls. The flexibility of forest vines allows creating intricate designs like spirals, leaves, or flowing lines that reflect traditional and folk styles. These patterns not only enhance aesthetic beauty, but also bring the house to life, showcasing delicacy and careful craftsmanship in every detail. The staircase leading from the ground to the porch is made with a sturdy bamboo frame, firmly fixed into the soil and porch structure. The steps are crafted from thick bamboo strips, laid horizontally and tightly bound to the frame, providing a solid surface for safe climbing. After successfully completing the challenge of building two houses with completely different styles, the first being a rustic wooden home, seamlessly blending into the lush greenery of a deep forest, and the second an intricate, artistic masterpiece crafted entirely from bamboo with meticulous attention to every small detail, he rewarded himself with a fragrant, hot grilled chicken bursting with rich countryside flavors. This wasn't just a sweet reward for days of hard work and persistence, but also a moment to savor peace and the fruits of his own efforts surrounded by vast nature. If you find this journey inspiring and enjoyable, please don't forget to share the video, leave your comments and thoughts, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of the exciting creative projects coming next.